Ready? Ready? Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in and welcome to Cooking with GiJoe. Thank you. Thank you. No, for real though. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to show you guys a variety of foods that I enjoy making, that I enjoy eating, that are simple and easy to do for anybody, you know, and most of them are going to be vegan. But the first thing I'm going to show you guys how to make is Soyrizo. I am Mexican, so chorizo is something we used to eat every morning, you know, growing up as a kid. And I'm going to show you guys how we, you know, made it pretty much Soyrizo, so it's vegan, but we still get the same amazing taste that we did, you know, when we were little kids growing up. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pour a little bit of this olive oil into the pan and make sure the heat is like medium high-ish. More medium though, for sure. And then once you've done this and it's warmed up a little bit, you can start off with your Soyrizo. I like to cook this first. So I like to toast this up, make sure it's well cooked. And then you go ahead and start with your tofu. Once the Soyrizo is actually, you know, nice and well done, you can start, I like to cut this a little bit on the side, pour out the drainage, you know, pour out the juice that's in it, and then pour it straight into the pan that the Soyrizo is in. So the next thing you're gonna do is get this bag of organic rainbow cauliflower, and it says to heat it up for 3 to 4 minutes in the microwave. But like I said, everything is gonna be very doable and simple in this video. I don't wanna, you know, overwhelm you guys with all my skills. So it's gonna be like half cooked and half microwaved, okay? And then the next one we're gonna go for is the colorful carrot coins, which I haven't tried these out yet, or the organic rainbow cauliflower yet, but I'm super stoked. I got all this stuff from Trader Joe's, so you can get all this stuff at Trader Joe's anywhere if you live by one, or get anything similar to whatever, you know, grocery store you're nearby. And then on this one, it says we're gonna microwave from 4 to 5 minutes. And then the next thing we're gonna do is get our quinoa from Trader Joe's as well. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned a little bit. I hope you guys can try this yourselves. And I'm about to dig in because I am starving. Oh my God. Like, I know because I made it, but like, oh my God, you need to try it. I hope you guys can tune in for some future videos. Love you guys. Thanks for all the support, and tune in next time.